Charlie not talk, brother. Now my Charlie, press it on. Oh my God! Oh my God! Let's go again! No, you cannot leave it like that, man. That normally is so Charlie a go on. Charlie not do that again now, brother. Look what Charlie face. Yo! Ayo, yo, Mama and Papa, please put your hand on your jaw. Wagwan people, wanna deal. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction today. Today we had the boss, the G, the Mr. Mr. Adlibs himself, Abra Cadabra. You know, Fire in the Boat Part 2 with Charlie Slot. You know what Charlie Slot? At the first Fire in the Boat me react to it. No, the second one, cause I done this rascal already. So you don't know, so this is the second one. Big up, Abra. Don't know, Mr. himself. So, I could say, where am I say another one I got now, guys? Let's go. Ready? Let's get it.
You know what time it is when you hear this, right?
Now it's time to rumble.
Sure. Hey, be in the building, you know.
Okay, alright. A be in the building, Abra Cadabra in the building. This one, it seems like it's not gonna be when I'm energetic when I'm go ape shit. And start in brain start spasm. In brain start going on one of them mode. No, it's gonna be like a chill one. Hopefully, let's go. Nowhere. What I'm saying? We are nowhere. OFB, we are nowhere. You're deaf?
No.
Yo, look on the confident from the man, dad. Look on the confident. Him know what I'm about. Him know what he's here to do. He's gonna do it. He's gonna execute. Let's go. We're gonna pass every 10 seconds because we are gonna break down. We are gonna break down every 10 seconds. So move on. If it's not for you, dip. If it's not for you, dip. Let's go.
You won't survive in the streets with no patience. They say the streets are their game and I played it.
That's not 10 seconds. But me know I missed something. Basically, the street is a dirty game. We all know that. The street have rules and laws by itself. Sometimes, if you don't follow those laws and rules, you break it, you know what, there's consequences.
Oh Lord, don't let them kill me on these pavements.
See it?
Look, I put my blood, sweat and tears in this thing. I wouldn't drop it for the road, but think you could diss me, Lord knows you can.
Aye, boy. I put my blood, sweat and tears in my music and I way I don't know. I'm a star now. But don't feel like say you can run up. Don't feel like say because you see me and do this, you think say me a pussy now. Me a pussy, brother. Don't think so because me change my life. Don't think so because my lifestyle changed. You think so my life changed. I still the same me, boy. Mr. Adlibs himself. Let's go.
Might be a later run thing when I'm creeping on your block with a pole. Hit him, and who knows, fuck.
Bumbleclad. Man say, yo, if you diss me now, it might be a later run thing when I keep up on your block. You know, see me I creep up like a thief in the night. You see me? With the pole. With the rifle, you know, brother. And the pole I gonna knock him, and him. Every man on the block I get caught like farmer. Every man on the block I get caught like farmer. Let's go.
Fuck it, everything around him getting smoked. This ain't a joke, I got my pride before I fold. I put my life on the line, ask my brothers if I've ever told.
You see it? What on there? What do you hear him say?
This ain't a joke, I got my pride before I fold. I put my life on the line, ask my brothers if I've ever told.
Deep shit. The man say, yo, I put my pride mean everything to me, dog. My pride mean everything to me. I put my life on my line, dog. You see me? Just to protect my pride, brother. You're not gonna walk over my name and think to me a pussy, dog. Next thing, ask anyone on my OFB, brother, if me ever tell, if me ever snitch. And that's how we grow, brother. And that's how we grow. We're not gonna snitch on each other, dog. You see me? We're gonna ride. You see me? Yeah, dog. We're gonna hold the sentence and do it, brother. You see it?
I tried to make this shit the realest shit I ever wrote. Like when I bust, I didn't cut, I brought all my bros. Like
Bumbleclot. People, sorry, but me have to keep pausing it. The man say, yo, I tried to make this the realest shit me ever wrote. Yo, This is gonna be a mad reaction. A mad breakdown. Mad lyrics. This are the realest shit me ever wrote. And me tell me G them say, yo, when time I boss me, I gotta bring the whole hour with me. And he did. OFB Fan Black is here.
I made this shit the realest shit I ever wrote. Like when I bust, I didn't cut, I brought all my bros.
Shit.
Like who remembers me pulling up 30 man deep to a show? I went
Yeah. Who remember me pulling up 30 man deep to a show? The whole gang apart, brother. The whole OFB Fan Black apart, brother. The whole of we are brother, dog. You see me? The whole of we are brother, me G. Now say loud, my friend, them wonder if them say the same.
performing if my niggas couldn't roll, that's fact. We need some more real niggas in the ends like Lippy and Tricky to show they eat them to be gangster. You ain't gotta get drilly, don't
Too much fake niggas out here. We need some real niggas out here. We need some more real G's out here, so dog. Yo, everything the man I said, me feel it, brother. Me feel everything the man I said, dog. Like, me don't know, dog. The youth here has become like my favorite, one of my favorite, like, UK artists, dog. I swear, like, this friend, him different.
watch me, strapped up car, gotta be the ops getting me down. That's like winning the lottery. I'm big food now, big.
The ups getting me down is like we're winning the lottery. It's a slim chance, 1 in a million chance, brother. Yo, a poor man win the lottery. So the ups getting me down is like me winning the lottery. That will never happen.
Food in this thing, trying to stop my young and wrapping up. Food in the cling, the hood.
Wait, what am I saying?
You don't watch me, strapped up car, gotta be the ops getting me down. That's like winning the lottery.
Yeah, ups getting me down is like winning the lottery. I'm saying that part early. Let's go. That part I'm on touch pad now.
I'm big food now, big food in this thing, trying to stop my young and wrapping up. Food in the cling, the hood.
Alright, me a big food now. Me a big cheese now. Me a the boss now. Me a the G now. Me a try to stop the younger one them for wrap up food in the cling. Cracking on the cling film. Me a try to wrap. Me a try to stop them from selling crack. Me a try to stop them from selling drugs. That's what the boss I say. You see me? Yeah, role model. Real get to idol. Real get to hero. You see it?
Hood's fucked up, old friends were shooting and shit. He used to be my brethren, now I'm therefore moving to him. So
See? The hood's fucked up, brother. Bad mind chip in. Fuckery chip in. Where the man them, like, good friend turn enemy now. And the man I say, yo, if him see them basically, he might move to them with no question asked. Somebody can't tell him nothing.
Perfect.
you won't survive in the streets with no patience. They say the streets a dirty game and I played it. Oh Lord, don't let them kill me on these pavements.
Yo, me say me feel every word with the boss. I said, dog. Me feel every word with the G. I said, brother, bumbleclot. Abra, let me declare this from now, dog. You are my like in my top second. Because Jamaica not say two. We not say two. Two a Batman thing. We not say two. You are in my top second. Top second is you and the next artist are my favorite. You see me? You and Bugsy are my favorite, dog. And Chip. That's a top 3. You see me?
So, yeah, you won't survive in the streets with no patience. They say the streets a dirty game and I played it.
I know a lot of people is gonna comment down below and say, yo, you not call that the man the name and that the man the name, that the man is bigger than that, the man is better than that. No, for me, for what they're singing about, that is what I'm talking about. The G them sing them life.
My little niggas S and Bugs, they're coming on when I'm like 40 something. I swear it got me bugging. Should I link them at the gates with at least a couple mil and say don't watch nothing?
Yeah, blood clot. Man, some little G S and Bugs are forward one when my father something. So the man them get a life sentence, couple life sentences, the man them get well, brother. But here the part where the man I said that, I go try to meet them at the gate, the prison gate when them get released. With a couple million say, yo, don't watch nothing, dog. So them set them good. John know, dog, I wish I could have done that for the man, them, brother. I wish I get it. You get that much money. I wish I could have done say, yo, BG, you just do a life sentence, couple life sentence, well, between two on yourself. You see a couple mil each, yeah. I wish you could have done that, brother. I'm hear the party again, bro. Bumbleclot.
Should I link them at the gates with at least a couple mil and say don't watch nothing? You know the thing govern. If I lived in Central, trust me, that's what I'll probably rap about.
If I live in Central London, that is what I would rap about. But I don't live in Central, so I can't rap about the good life and the this and the that and the skyline and the no, we living in the slums, living in the ghetto. That's why I rap about the streets. That's what I know about. You see me? And there's no lie about that. That is where I live.
Probably be rapping about managing bank accounts. But I grew up in the T side of London, so I'm rapping about banging and scheming on the trapper's ass.
Man say, grew up in the T side of London. You see me? So, him rap about trapping and scoping out traps house, like rap people. That the man depend dog. That the man depend brother. That him a rap about. Cause you live what you see. You are a product of your environment. That's how the man a said dog.
I used to have to boil the kettle just to have a bath. Never used to dwell in it. I needed that would be my past.
Bumbo clot. Poor background me come from too. So I know we are say dog. This is what the brother is becoming rapidly like my favorite rapper dog. The man Bugsy dog and Chip dog. Rapidly, brother, rapidly dog. The man say, brother, me used to have to boil the kettle. Me used to have to boil the kettle for have a bath. Remember say England cold, so you can't bathe in cold water like Jamaica, you know. England cold, so you have to boil the kettle, throw it in the bath, then dilute it with cold water to make it, you know, make it warm. Not hot again, it's warm now, so you have enough water if you have a bath. Bumbo clock.
So I used to say I don't deserve this shit.
He's heating up, heating up.
Look, hey, I never done it for the name when I banged the striz.
I never done it for the name when I bang the streets, brother. I do it because I had to. I had no choice. Big up Charlie Slat, you know. Charlie Slat, see the reaction for your face, brother. First, Charlie Slat is silent. Charlie Slat just listen to everything what the man said that.
The name won't stop me getting bagged and shit. Anytime I step, cause this beef is real. Well, you think I'd rather die than kill? So.
What you think? What you think? What you think?
Anytime I step, cause this beef is real. Well, you think I'd rather die than kill?
What you think, my youth? My life for a year one. What you think me gonna sit down make you kill me? Me that kill you. I would kill you and go do my life sentence, brother. That the man I said, dog. The streets is a vicious place, me G. I will kill you and then me go lie down and take my sentence, brother. Jano.
So, you don't survive in these streets with no patience. They say the streets a dirty game and I played it.
Yo, Lord, me feel every word what the man I said, dog. Me feel everything what the G I say. Charlie, big up yourself, dog. Big up yourself, brother. Abra, big up yourself, me G.
Oh Lord, don't let them kill me on these pavements. Look, yeah.
Yeah, look on Charlie face. Just look on Charlie face. Charlie not said nothing. Charlie dumb. Charlie not talk, brother. Now my Charlie press it on. Oh my God! Oh my God! Let's go again! No, you cannot leave me like that, man. That normally so Charlie go on. Charlie not do that again now, brother. Look at Charlie face. Yo!
Enough round here when I tech talk. We met the lead spark. 16 and one another head, come our heads up.
Bumbo clot. A 17 in clip holding, brother. You see me? Enough matic round here, so we not take chat, brother. We gun them enough round here, so we not take chat. We make money and buy, we gun them. We not about like a pie, brother. A 16 in the clip and one in the head, come head at.
16 and one another head, come our heads up. Aim for your chest, that's a head shot.
Aim for your chest at a head shot. Aim for your chest at a head shot.
16 and one another head, come our heads up. Aim for your chest, that's a head shot.
Yo, that youth have Jamaican background? Or like a Nigerian or Ghanaian or somebody. Where is he from originally? Where come from originally, dog?
16 and one another head, come our heads up. Aim for your chest, that's a head shot. Kickbacks rising up. Ups about, I'm rising it up. Oh.
Where come from? I know. Ups about, I'm rising my gun. Me not think twice. Me a rise my matic, brother. Me a rise my matic and slap it pan them boy. Me not give them no chance.
School friends, my niggas been lighting them up. 4 up blocks. Anyone I'm skying it, cause yo bro, I got my machine, are you riding along?
I like how him take like certain abnormal deep breath to start again. Start the next line. Example, in our next song where him sing I'm spin that coupe. And say I'm a smooth criminal. Don't think more than don't think don't do that. Yeah, just do that. Yo, but I can take the abnormal breath. I'm just doing it how
up blocks. Anyone I'm skying it, cause yo bro, I got my machine, are you riding along? Me.
Are you riding along? You see me? Yo bro, are you riding along? We like that.
Road, side road, ready for sun, can't take tough. High roads, I made your boss run, pulled up, dumped off. I saw them boy fast, can't be seen too much.
Bumbleclot. He's doing like a little mini spasm right so now. A little mini spasm. Him normal traditional spasm. When he go that's what they said now.
Neighbours too enough, we don't do talk much. All the ops talk enough, he ain't never barked off. Lean with the ting when I clock off.
Lean with the thing when they, you know, say the thing bust loud like church, but you know, lean with it, you know. Clotty! That's how the boss has set in a dog.
And when I park off, where to young spray, you don't wanna be a duppy in the car park show. You won't survive.
You don't want to be a duppy in a car park, you know. I show you, you know. You know why your mother have to come identify you in a one body bag with one tag by your toe. You don't want that, you know. You don't want that, you know. So you better you chill. You see me? Stop it talking and chill.
I have any streets with no patience. They say the streets are dirty game and I played it. Oh Lord, don't let them kill me on these pavements.
Deep.
That's why I barely touch the streets when I'm naked.
He's on fire! He's on fire!
Man say, yo, that is why I barely touch the street when I'm naked. You know what I mean? When him not have no clothes, you know, it mean when him not have him strap. When I touch the street when I not have him strap. You hear Charlie slap I said now. Where just Charlie?
Ow, wow. Abra Cadabra in the building!
I tell you what's Charlie going, I'm gonna run the villain! There we go, let's go, get back! I tell you that's what Charlie go on the tape. Listen.
One take is in, swift, boom, out! Are you cold from early, bro?
Come on, my bro, man.
Man can rap for real, like any beat, any BPM, it don't matter.
Come on, man.
Man kill that for real!
Back like I never left.
Yeah, Charlie, real hype man in the dog. We like Charlie energy and everything.
No.
Back like he never left!
Back like he never left, Charlie!
So I hope...
Yo, big up Charlie, you know. Charlie, big up a G, big up yourself, big up yourself. Listen what Charlie I say, and do it to my channel. Listen what I'm saying.
If you enjoyed that fire in the booth, what you gotta do now is click here to subscribe.
Don't click there, just click down there to subscribe to my one. Big up Charlie. Oh, this is not fire on the boat. Is that IVD not fire on the boat? Okay, I never know if IVD don't fire on the boat. Okay. Anyway, guys, that is me for the day. If you like that one, yeah, please leave a like. Please subscribe if you're new. Please follow my Instagram link down below. Click on the link and follow the Instagram channel. You understand? Big up on yourself. That. Have a good and productive day. If you can't be good, be lucky. If you don't have nothing good for say, don't say nothing. Alright? Peace.